the project here.
Don Luke Electronics. The Alpha Geek, Geeking Out. Project number 29, DFRobot, ESP32-P4, Mk32.
Now the expressive ear, base plate here, camera here, computer for programming.
DFRobot.
Now the project here, expressive here, programming here, pins here, and tools here. This the here, so perfect. Right thing here, proms here, LEDs here, expressive here, the information here, and now LEDs here, 1 up and 2 seconds and seconds here, so good. This the prom here and setup here, this from here and here, delay and setup for LEDs here and 1 second, and that's it. Now the project here, Arduino here, this expressive here, and this one here, the camera here, and base plate here. This is good. So this the base plate and expressive in here, and camera.
Programming, Arduino.
This the computer and expressive here. So C. This 2 seconds here, this here, this good, and this Arduino, and that's it. Now the computer here and C. This good here, and this 2 seconds, so 1, yeah. So simple. Is 2 seconds, back, up, down, so perfect.
FireBeetle 2 ESP32-P4 AI. Unleash true 1080p Edge AI and interactive HMI applications with the FireBeetle 2 ESP32-P4 Development Kit. This all-in-one solution is engineered around the powerful ESP32-P4, a dual-core RISC-V processor featuring a single-precision FPU and a professional-grade media engine with hardware-accelerated H.264 encoding, 1080p at 30 fps. The kit provides both MIPI and parallel interfaces for maximum camera and display flexibility, while an onboard coprocessor delivers next-generation Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5. To bring it all together, the included I/O expansion board streamlines development, providing an effortless platform to create sophisticated projects like high-performance AI cameras, responsive smart displays, and other advanced vision systems. Don Luke Electronics. Curriculum Vitae. JLP Consultants. Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, TikTok.